thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment in the video if you wanna play with, if you want for me to play with Dad again, or a different Roblox game you want for us to play, or to continue doing. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, that was kind of dumb of me for saying to comment and I turned comments off. But the good side, it did get 229 views. Yippee! Okay, jokes aside, thank you guys. But we'll be playing I don't remember what it's called. Oh yeah, the night before the blizzard. Not this time. You. Hopefully, I'm gonna turn on comments on. Probably you'll probably forget, and you guys can vote which trick if you want for me to do which trick Dad Chapter 1 again, which trick Dad Chapter 2, the Geometry Dash series, another episode, or play the night before the blizzard again. Again, probably. Or you guys can comment a Roblox game you want from me to play. But anyways, enjoy. Ah yes, we just got out of the car. The jackets will go outside the house.
Why did
Go outside the house. Okay.
let's go?
What's outside the window?
It's a cakey!
Wait, get one. Wait, how many slices are there?
One,
Get
two.
1, 2. Get the rest.
Sorry, since I'm from the gun, I'm more sugar.
I want to eat them.
Okay.
I want to eat one. It doesn't even do anything! Okay, that's it. I'm eating it. But I did see wood. I don't know what it's for though.
Maybe we could build a house.
Yeah. Make sure we could probably build up the board. Why am I not building up the board? Wait, objective, go to bed unless it's 4 p.m.
Yay! Why 4 p.m.?
Time to open this.
I found an energy drink.
Time to open this door. I don't know why I did that. I was gonna do something, but I forgot what it.
I found an energy drink.
Time to open this door. Oh, there's nothing in it. Let's go to sleep. Yeah.
Hey, Saya, guess what? Look.
Oh, there's energy drinks. What did they do?
I don't know.
Probably give you energy. Yeah. Security.
Wait, you know energy people in real life? Like, maybe they make you faster.
How do I put wood in it? Guys, if you know any tips, if you know any tips for me, okay. Take care of the styrofoam by getting wet outside, but be careful with the cold and what's outside. Oh, you just place it in. Okay, keep an eye on wardrobes. What? A discussion might appear noise and a strange effect. It will jump scare you. Absorb door outside. The house flashing its face to scare you. It's very sensitive to light. Okay. I guess you do this. Oh! Ew! But what about you check closets? I'll go outside.
Wait, I think I know what the energy does.
What?
In energy drinks in real life, they make us go faster.
That could work.
Huh?
That could work.
What if they will still help?
Oh, this one. Why does he look so ugly?
He's not even a monster, he's a ghost.
Should I get wood? I should probably get wood. It's 1 a.m.
Oh no. Is it like YouTube Dad?
I'm pretty sure.
I waste my wood just for the campfire, not for the house. What's the jumps?
I'm scared. What's this one? I'm getting scared. Let's go to the room. checking CCTV.
Ah!
Oh gosh! Flash! Did you flash it?
Yes.
I think I died. Oh gosh. Oh god, he got. I don't know if she. No, I don't have Robux. Oh no! Oh no!
Flash it.
Flash. Gotta get one. No, please. Oh,
Oh no! The monster should come out and
that jump scared me so much. Well, have you played this game before, Mateo? Haven't you?
yes.
I haven't. Wait, hello! What the?
What the? What? Why?
Well, that scared me so hard.
Maybe let's try again. Another attempt.
Yeah, let's try again. Okay, we're back. Oh, hold on.
I know.
Did you open the door? What the? Okay, I'm not there. Oh, it's this door. Check CCTV. Also check closets. Please.
I mean, I can't flash anyways. I'll look at those like closets. I hold it.
Hold on.
It was slightly small, but I hold it.
I hold it. Meant to check closets.
Oh, it was that one. Start the wood.
Hold
Since you don't have wood.
on.
It's gonna break through the window.
Oh,
Oh, and it's knocking.
I'm gonna go get wood.
Yummy.
I hold it. This is just me out of the hood.
No. Wait, the closet.
Okay, now I hold it. I'll check it. Damn, oh my god. Okay. Just don't ask why I cut it the video. So, bye. I hope you like this video. Bye.